Hi lovelies. So, bit different, sort of like a nail tutorial and like a chat about the book that it's inspired on. So we're doing a autumny plaid tartan gingham, whatever you want to call it. So I've wiped off the inhibition layer and we're using alcohol ink. It's going to be like orange and blue. So, as you will have seen from the thumbnail, it is on the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. Now, I didn't realise that these were spicy books until, because I just listened to audiobooks on my way to work. And when I got to the first spicy bit in the pumpkin spice cafe, well, I was a bit like, oh, wasn't expecting that. So we're going to use I Paint Nails, Not Tragedies, and Madame Glam polish for the blue. So as you can see, I've just faffed with the alcohol ink. Like I say, it's not too much of a tutorial today. Just maybe like a little bit of one. You can watch what I'm doing. I'm semi-talking about it. We're using 3D gel to make a cinnamon bun. So I found it easier to make it on the side in the end because it just wasn't sticking how I wanted it. I don't know if you find that, but yeah, it just was not working, as you can see. So I do it on the side instead. So yeah, I think I enjoyed the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore possibly a little bit more than the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. But yeah, we're gonna put some frosting on it now. Are we doing the cinnamon first? So the cinnamon first, then the frosting, then a bit more cinnamon. Yeah, I'm going to go on to the Christmas tree farm next. Yeah, does anybody else listen to audiobooks on the way to work? When the spicy bits come on, I'm like, oh, I hope no one can hear this. If we get to a traffic light, I'm like, oh, better pause it just in case. Oh, I tell you, well, it's been an interesting journey to work for the past couple of months because I listened to the Pumpkin Spice Cafe first because that's the first book. And then, obviously, the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. So I'm wondering how spicy the Christmas tree farm is going to be. But, yeah, they're good fun. So we're just going to top coat now. Shiny top coat, obviously, because we like a shiny. I hope this looks like a cinnamon bun and not just like a poo with frosting on. Please tell me it looks like a cinnamon bun. I hope so. I tried to tag the author in my story on Instagram, but I don't think she saw it, so never mind. So we're just going to do the Cinnamon Bun Store sign now. But the background, I'm sort of doing a little bit of a wood effect. So we're just sort of doing, because at first I was just going to do stripes, and then I thought as it wasn't fully going, I was like, oh, that could create a nice sort of little woody background, which is obviously what it should be anyway, I suppose, with the sign on top of it. So we're just doing the wood effect there, and then we're going to do some little leaves at the bottom, and then the sign on the rest of the nail. This brush, I love this brush. It's like super small, but like a bit thicker, so you can sort of control a little bit more of the little design that you're doing. Anyway, do a couple of coats of these for the leaves, and then use darker versions of the polish to do the inside veins of the leaves. And then we'll do the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. Oh God, it's such a mouthful. The sign. So, I really like Noah. I think I like Noah more than I like Logan. Don't ask me why. I think he's just a bit more chill. Logan's a bit more serious. Let me know which one, which guys you preferred, which book in the series is best, because I'm going to continue with them, because they're just good fun, aren't they? Just like light-hearted and then spicy. So we have to do a couple of cuts for this sign, as you can see, but I don't show me doing a couple of cuts because that would be rubbish, wouldn't it? And then we're going round it in the blue sign. So it's like from the book cover. This is just basically for me to work on my lettering because I would like it to be a bit better. So, yeah. But yeah, I didn't think it was Noah leaving the clues. But I also didn't know who I thought it was going to be. I didn't think it was just going to be like from obviously this is a spoiler, so, but I didn't think it was going to be from like the town and her dad's, and I thought it would be too obvious for it to be Noah, but I don't know. I just thought it was a really cute book, and I just finished listening to it this morning. I mean, I don't know when this video is going to go out, but I like how it finished. I did like how it finished, although I hope they don't get married without... I didn't want them to get married without everyone else. Yeah, so you can see my lettering needs a little bit more work here. It's so easy to do like the cinnamon, because it's mainly straight, whereas look at that bee, that is so pants. Yeah, let me know what your favourite moment was. I thought it was honestly, it just makes me burst out laughing on certain bits. It just, yeah, I really enjoyed it. Bit of light-hearted fun, and I just felt inspired. I don't know, I really like the book covers, so I just thought I'm going to draw them on a nail, and it's still a bit autumny. I don't know when I'm going to put this video out, but yeah. Yeah, now we're going to do some isolated chrome. So I have matte top coated, and I am putting Magpie Beauty's gel pen round the edge of the nail. This definitely works out better than my previous ones have worked out. I think it's because I didn't have so much chrome, and it was, I was really, really careful with it. So yeah, we're going to use this lovely, lovely green, because her building is green on the book cover, so I just thought, yeah. And then, yeah, look at that chrome. Woo! Pretty, pretty, pretty. But yeah, just a little light-hearted tutorial. I probably won't get any views on this at all, but I don't care. I don't really do it for the views. I just really enjoy doing nail designs, chatting shit at the same time. It's a little bit like therapy. But yeah, let me know if you like the design, if you'd like me to do any of the others, which book is best. Thanks for watching. Here are the nails together. I love that little cinnamon bun. Since I've been reading the book, I actually have been eating cinnamon buns because I'm like, oh, they taste good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little book review / nail tutorial. Leave me a like and subscribe if you did. Don't leave me a nasty comment if you didn't, because just be nice. Just be kind. Thank you. Bye.